Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can install Facebook Pixel or Metapixel. Basically, this is the dataset ID now. So how you can install this pixel in your Shopify website by Google Tag Manager. So at first let's share my screen. Okay, I hope you can see me. So from now we have to. I am in my Shopify dashboard. This is the uh, This is my Google Tag Manager. I have installed Google Tag Manager in this Shopify. So if I visit my website and enable our tag assistant, then we can see this tag ID. So 36F, this is the tag manager. Anyway, so for to install Facebook Pixel or Metapixel, at first let's visit business.facebook.com. From here, we have to go to settings. From settings, we have to go data sources, then pixels. Sorry, now it is datasets. From the datasets, let's pick a pixel. Let's pick this pixel, and open in Event Manager. So we want to install this pixel account in our Shopify website. So how to do that? We already installed Google Tag Manager in this Shopify website, so we don't need this Shopify now currently. So just left this aside. Now we have to install this pixel. So at first, let's copy the pixel ID. Now this is called dataset ID, so we have to be careful about that. No problem. So this is a dataset ID. Let's copy this. Okay, I have just copied. Now come to your Google Tag Manager. If you don't know how to install Google Tag Manager, then I also created tutorial about this. You can find in my channel, or I will just add it. I will add it in your uh, uh, in the description or comment section. So let's start. Now go to tags. Hmm. From the tags, click new and click tag configuration. Now search, just click discover more tag types in the community template. It is loading. We just have to wait some moment. Now find Facebook. So we have to install this Facebook Pixel. This is a template, official template by Facebook. They created it and uploaded to Google Tag Manager. It will help us to install or any kind of event for Facebook. So we earlier copied the pixel ID. So we just need to paste it here. We can create a variable, but this time we only setting up the pixel, so we don't need to do anything. Just paste the ID. They call it here pixel ID, but you can see this dataset ID. No problem. This is all same. Now, what we gonna do here? A page view event. So by installing the Facebook pixel, we will send a event through page view. So every time we install any kind of event through Google Tag Manager, we can select any kind of event, or we can also say do a custom event. But for this, for installing the pixel on any kind of website, whether it is Shopify or WordPress or any kind of website, we just have to send a page view event. That means after sending this event, we will be able to track our website visitor basic data and send the and install the pixel or dataset ID, and simply it will do our job, just basic jobs. So anyway, just do that page view event now. Go the scroll down and click triggering. From here, click all pages. That's it. We are done. Nothing to do here. And now rename it FB pixel slash data set ID tag. Let's write page view in bracket. That means we will understand by the name that page view event just sent by this tag. Okay, click save. We have successfully done. So we have to check our work is going good or not. FB, write a name, FB will setup, publish. Now copy our website URL. Now go to a workspace. From the workspace, click preview. We can also test this event from the business manager in events manager section. So confirm that your website event are set up correctly. So here we can provide our website URL and click open event website. So we just doing this from Google Tag Assistant and click connect. Our website just loaded, and we can see this through this Chrome extension that is called Metapixel Helper. A page view event just fired, and this is our pixel ID. At last, this is 999. So in our Shopify pixel test event or event manager, we can see that page view event fired. So here you can see at last our ID is 999, and the pixel event page view fired also is 999 in the last. So that means our pixel ID just installed perfectly. And in the tag manager, we can also see that our FB pixel dataset ID just fired perfectly. So that is how you can install a page view event and also install the Facebook pixel in your sorry, by your Google Tag Manager account. So thank you very much to listen to me. I will bring lots of tutorial like this to get updated. Please subscribe. Thank you.